Okay, so I finished for the day. I can't believe I've been doing these two all day long, but it has taken me all day long, pretty much. I'm taking my time, man. But this is going to be my new ones, and they're going to be going up on my painting wall with the rest of my new stack. I just put all this up, so there's Wiener Stencil. There's the weenie man. So to be a little bit before I get it up there, but they're going to be going up there with some new ones when I take these down. It's pretty simple. Nothing major. It's pretty simple today. Just something cute that could be thrown together on a background like simple. I'm sitting here so stinking bored, and I'm trying to do some of my paintings because I'm so bored. So I've been working on all these silly, crazy other paintings that I have been doing. Some crazy things. Some of it I haven't even finished. That's how bored I am. I don't even know what this guy is. I haven't even finished him yet. But I was like, oh, I'll just share this because I'm bored. This is going to be my 10-day slump. It's like, I'm super bored. Yoda wants me to paint him next. I think I'm going to paint Yoda next. To go with my stuff. The SpongeBob. I don't know how good I did with SpongeBob, and I did a critter besides SpongeBob. A pair on her head. I don't really know what it is. These are going to be up in a few months. Probably the next things up on my wall, because this is what I've been working on. This is my new stuff that I've been doing in the last couple weeks. I don't know what the theme is, but there's a lot of Nickelodeon going on in this theme. Which I've already done a lot of Nickelodeon, but I did some more along with a bunch of other stuff. Yay! I've been bored. But I plan on doing my Yoda. Y'all see my Yoda? Yoda. He's my cool friend. I think I'm going to do him. I haven't done him yet. I don't think. Did I do him? Actually, yes I did, because that was like my first paintings that I did. I did Yoda in space. Don't you remember my Yoda in space? And I had it up on my wall. I'll have to bring that out tomorrow, on tomorrow's clip, and show Yoda in space. But I might do another Yoda. I don't know. See if I can do another one. But I do have Yoda already. I don't know why I'm thinking I need to do Yoda. I did Yoda. That was like the very first one that I painted was Yoda in space, along with all the other ones that I put up. That. I already did Yoda in space. Anyways, so I'm super bored, and I've been working on painting and all that good stuff, and I'm bored as can be. So, yeah. I'm going to do a 10-day slump on filming. So exciting. So, alright. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so that's the end of this lazy day vlog today. I'm ready to just sit back and relax for a while and be done for the day. Nothing major and nothing long, but I will see you guys next vlog. Bye!